Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS and ESS Bassett. Welcome to Accountant's Minute. Are you building a future fit accountancy business? That's an interesting question, isn't it? CCH iFirm conducted a very interesting webinar earlier this week, and that was the key question that they were asking, and they had an expert panel to assist them. So I'm going to give you an overview of some of the items that I thought were very important. To create need, accountants need to be employing staff and partners who are curious about their clients' affairs. And your whole team needs to be focused on building value for your clients. They were the two key items that came out of the CCH iFirm webinar that had 600 participants from all around Australia. We were all asked to look at the challenges that are facing everyone. Are they threats or are they opportunities? If you closely look at many of the challenges, you can make them an opportunity. And what can you do with some of those opportunities for the benefits of your clients? So where do you start to build the future fit accountancy business? There are some key questions. Are your activities within your accountancy business enriching your clients? What needs are not being met for your clients? What would they like you to do that you're not currently doing? Have you sat down and asked them that question? The expert panel recommended that accountants should be giving more than what their clients want. So think about it. Where can you add a little bit more to enhance the relationship with your clients? And one of the most important comments I thought was, are your team curious about your clients? Or are your clients just a number and all you're there to do is to prepare a tax return? Because small, medium enterprises are looking for accountants who can provide a wider range of services. And curiosity is one of the key aspects of being able to provide those wider services. What do you know about the industry that your client works in? For argument's sake, have you had any clients that have been affected by Cyclone Debbie or the floods that have caused a lot of problems in north and central and southern Queensland and northern New South Wales over the last week? What's going to happen to some of those clients situated in those areas? Cash flow because of damage from the cyclone. You know, many small, medium enterprises think that accountants are too busy to respond to their commercial questions. They think that all that accountants are interested in, and therefore they think all that accountants are capable of advising them on, is taxation. If you're too busy for commercial advice, you're missing one of the most important value adds that there is. Because this is the key area that clients are looking for assistance on. So what are the ingredients for a future fit accountancy business? The key to all this is being able to base decisions on accurate information. So this means you should be having an important conversation with your client about the need for regular, prompt financial reports to be prepared, benchmarking reports, key performance indicators, budgets and cash flows and comparisons to budgets and cash flows. Because information is the vital ingredient to be able to add value. Accountants need to focus on value. Understand the client's concerns. Put yourself in your client's shoes and think about it from their point of view. Don't assume. I find too many accountants assume that none of their clients want advice on government grants, for argument's sake, as someone said to me earlier this week. I don't agree with that. Have you really asked your clients, do they want to know about government grants? I can assure you a lot of small, medium enterprises complain to me about accountants not being proactive when it comes to something like government grants. And don't generalise. Just because a few clients you think cannot afford your services or don't want your services, I think you should give your clients the courtesy of making a presentation to them, advising what you can create, where you can add value, and let your client make the decision as to whether they are prepared to pay for the extra services. The key obligation on you then is to make sure you deliver on those extra services. And if you adopt this type of attitude, I think you will be offering a full trusted advisor service, because if you're not doing these things, in 2017 you will not be classified as a full trusted advisor to your clients. So where do you start? In the first instance, you need to get your team ready. You need to have some training and discussions and encourage your team, your accountants, your marketing people if you have them, and your admin people to all come on board to offer this new range of services to your clients. I think you should group your clients into at least 3 groups, A, B and C, and then really target in on the A-class clients. What additional services can you offer to them? And have a good look at your B-class clients and decide who you should have conversations with about increasing the range of services that you are offering them so that you can classify them as an A-class client, because you're going to be doing a wider range of services than just taxation. What services could you offer? Debtors management, debtors systems manual, chief financial officer, very important, succession planning, business plans, budgets, cash flow forecasts, personal property securities register, due diligence reviews, early stage innovation company advice, crowdfunding equity raising. We will be finalising our product on crowdfunding and releasing it on the 27th of April. There's a wide range of products and services that you can offer. This month we are targeting improving debtors' days outstanding as a task, and we would encourage every one of you to look at your clients' debtors' days outstanding and offer to undertake a debtors review and develop a customised debtors systems manual for them. Our estimate, the fee could be in the vicinity of $2,000 to $2,300 for that task. And if you've got 10 clients that have currently got debtors days outstanding in excess of 45 days, you've earned a fair amount of extra fees, $20,000 to $25,000. And to assist you in undertaking this, we have teamed up with IODM to present the Improving Debtors Days Outstanding project. And for a subscription of $499, including GST, you will get access to our debtors material, the debtors system, the debtors manual, and a 1-hour mentoring session, and you will be able to avail yourself of a special offer from IODM if you subscribe to the IODM system. And you can immediately recoup your outlay by undertaking the services. And these services don't have to be offered by partners. All that the partners need to do is make sure the team training's been undertaken and that they act as rainmakers and mentors. And in the mentoring package that we are offering, we will do the coaching of your team as to how they can use the ESS BIZTOOLS, ESS BASIP information to be able to deliver an outstanding debtors package. Next month our feature product's going to be the crowdfunding equity raising, because that will then lead into budgets, cash flow forecasts, information memorandums, so that you're ready to deliver to the businesses, the companies, the entrepreneurs who are going to be looking to try to raise capital out of crowdfunding, capital raising for companies when it commences in September this year. These are the suggestions that I would make to you as you consider how you can prepare your business, how you can build your business as a future fit accountancy business. If you would like to gain a special article from us, you can do so by going to our website www.essbiztools.com.au. If you've got any questions, please send us an email. peter@essbiztools.com.au. Have a great day. Goodbye.